Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to close your Barclays account, then this video is for you. So the step is pretty much depend on the type of the account that you want to close. So for example, if you have a savings account, then here is some instruction that they give how you can close your savings accounts of Barclays. So for online, you can do it as long as the account you'd like to close is not the last account you hold with us. So you can use online banking to transfer the balance out and request closure of your everyday saver account for any other type of savings or current account on if this is your last remaining account, you can't use online banking. Instead, you will have to close your account by phone, in branch, or by post. So you can post to a support team, or you can find a phone, you can call to the representative of one of our representative of Barclays, then ask for closures of your account, or you can go in person in branch to close your account. Then you can use the Barclays app also. So you can tell them that you would like to close your account by messaging them in the app. It's secret and they will send you a notification when you have replied. So you can use the app and go to the support section where you can send a message about the closures of your account, and you can add a valid reason also. Now if you want to use the phone, so you can do is you can go with the personal call that is like 0345 734 5345, or there's another number that is +440247684209 from outside the UK, the United Kingdom, or the premier call that is 0800 085 111 and 5, or you can use this one from outside the UK. So also you can go to in branch, so you can take your debit card or the checkbook with you. If you have issued one from the account, then you might also need to show photo identification such as your passport or driving license or European identity card. Then they will actually easily close your account. Also you can use the post by post. You can print out their account closures from that. You can find it here. Here you can see, if I show you, that here is their account closures from. You can print it down, and after print on it and fill in all the details, if you don't complete all the section, it might take longer to close your account. It must also be signed by all account holder if there are more than one. So if the account had a debit card or checkbook, you will need to destroy them. Then send the completed form to Barclays, Leicester, United Kingdom. The address is here, and that's pretty much all thing. So that's how you can just easily close your bank account on Barclays. And also there is another method that for if you have a business account, then the method is here. So for that you can only use the phone and by the post here. So current account, here is the business current account closure form. Here you can go to this URL and you can find this from here, and you can post it or send it to this address, or also you can call to the 0345 and you will be able to close your business current account. So this is the only two way to close a business account on Barclays. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful, and it can take up to 2 or 3 days, the business days, or for the business current accounts, for it can take up to 10 working days to close your account. Thanks for watching. Till next time.